Prime Minister Narendra Modi will shortly be holding a rally in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua district. This is Modi's second visit to the state, where he is set to campaign for MOS PMO Jitendra Singh, who is seeking re-election from Udhampur, where polling will be held in the second phase on the 18th of this month. Prime Minister had addressed an election rally in Akhnur on the 28th of March, where he blamed the Congress for giving a clean chit to Pakistan in connection to terror. He also held the National Conference and the PDP responsible for the problems existing in the state. He will also address rallies in Aligarh and Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh after 2 p.m. today. Sunil Ji now joins me live. Sunil Ji, the BJP's manifesto now promises to remove Article 35A from the Constitution if they return to power. Will we be seeing, or are we expecting Prime Minister Modi to make a reference to that issue while he is in J&K today?
Absolutely, Vedika. Article 370 and 35A are now a major poll issue in this election, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to talk about it. It's likely that he will talk about this. BJP has clearly mentioned in its manifesto that it's committed to repealing of Article 370 as well as 35A. And behind me from this podium, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address a massive rally here in Kathua district, which is part of Udhampur Doda Lok Sabha seat. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh is once again trying his luck from this seat. Last time he had defeated Congress's strongman Ghulam Nabi Azad from this seat, and this time he's pitted against Congress and National Conference's joint candidate Yuvraj Vikramaditya Singh, who also happens to be the grandson of Maharaja Hari Singh, who had signed the instrument of accession on October 26, 1947. And there is another candidate of Dogra Swabhiman Sangathan, who is a former BJP leader, Chaudhry Lal Singh, and he may cut into the votes of BJP, but the BJP is banking on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's magic, and that is why here also in this rally we can see that thousands of people have gathered here to listen to Prime Minister. And the people we spoke to a short while back, they said that they want Article 370 and 35A to be repealed, because both these articles have somehow given an upper hand to Kashmir region, and Jammu region has been marginalized by the Kashmiri politicians from parties like National Conference and PDP. Vedika.
Sunil Ji, thanks for joining me live. Of course, we'll be cutting back to you as and when the Prime Minister speaks.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.